squirrel, please.
Did you ask the squirrel to be your friend?
Yes, I do. Please, Mythical. What is it be my friend, Mythical? Please.
You said, please, Mr. Squirrel, would you like to be my friend?
Yes.
Did you say that to the bird, too?
Yes.
Where'd the bird go?
I don't know. I don't know, Mommy.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Were you talking to the bees earlier, asking them to be your friends?
Yes.
What did you say?
Please, and why do you to be my friend?
Yeah.
Please.
Please. That's a very nice way to ask. What did they say?
This is my friend.
They said they're going to be your friend?
Yeah.
That's so nice.